Alright, hello YouTubers, this is me, Austin Vance here again. Today what I'm going to show you is a brand new 22-inch Anderson ceiling fan that we just installed it in the front porch today. So it's brand new. The LED lights are pretty bright. So I'm going to demonstrate the light. So we're going to dim it. This does work. It's actually dim. This does work. LED light bulb in it. Like, it's pretty bright. Alright. Turn the fan on and begin with the high speed. Still blows. Alright. Low. And off. So yeah, this concludes a video of the 22-inch Anderson fan. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.